Hello and welcome to The Loop. I'm Matt Bruning.
And I'm Erin McBride. ODOT has allowed food trucks to set up at our 86 rest areas.
This was done after the federal government suspended enforcing the regulations that prohibit it. Vendors are required to download, print, and display a free permit from ODOT. While they are allowed to serve food, they are not allowed to serve prepackaged snacks or beverages other than coffee.
Our Who Knew Guru looks at some of the questions we've been getting about this new effort.
Truckers are the lifeblood of the economy, and it has been increasingly harder for them to find a hot meal. One of the top questions we've received: what took you so long to do this, ODOT? Well, since the beginning of the interstate system during the Eisenhower administration, by federal statute, commercial activity in the federally funded interstate right-of-way is prohibited. So until last week, we weren't even allowed to do this by law. Another often asked question: why can't these food trucks sell something other than coffee to drink or any snacks? Well, vending at Ohio's rest areas is provided by business enterprise operators who are legally blind. They rely on the sale of beverages and snacks for their income, and we must ensure food vendors are not directly competing with vending services. Thank you to the vendors who are helping truck drivers, and of course to the truck drivers who are keeping us all supplied. Who knew?
ODOT is also honoring some of the other frontline essential employees that we rely on. Last week we participated in the Light It Blue campaign, a way to thank healthcare workers. Here are some of the images from the George V. Voinovich Bridge in Cleveland. Bridges in Toledo and Dayton were also lit up blue.
Severe storms blew through Ohio last week. Nearly a dozen tornadoes hit down in Ohio, leaving behind a trail of damage.
ODOT crews were busy cleaning up downed trees on and along our roadways. High water caused issues in southeast Ohio. Thank you to all of our crews that have worked so hard to keep our roads open.
After the storms came snow. Most of the snow was confined in northeast Ohio, but flurries were seen in other parts of the state as well. It was a good thing we didn't put our snow equipment away just yet.
It is indeed, Erin. Well, get more ODOT news online at transportation.ohio.gov. Follow us on social media. And we always love your story ideas and feedback to loop@dot.ohio.gov.
And now you're in the loop.